has the possibility of going from something that's disordered or chaotic to even more chaotic. You can get complexity out of that. And there's a very simple example that anyone can look at in nature. You don't need to look at life, you don't need to look at anything else. It's the formation of crystals. Going back to David Hume's thought centuries ago, that we accept that crystals can form. We don't look at crystals unless you're really nutty and say, we know people who are that nutty, and say, some kind of magic happened there. Now, but the reason why crystals can form by themselves is, here's a solution of liquid, and it's got these particles in, and it's at a certain temperature. That can go, if it's the right kind of chemicals, to a situation where you have some of the chemical that crystals in but it's hotter. What's happened is that the lack of complexity there, that structure, that order, is acceptable because you've heated the rest up. What happens is you go, if this is a level of disorder in the system, you can go from everything being at one level to basically a split. We have lots at a higher level and a bit less disordered. So that pays for that. But you don't need any magic for that to happen. That will just happen almost entirely just by itself. Well, not quite. If you have a solution like that and it's extremely pure, there's nothing, there's no dust in it or anything, you can actually get that so that it won't form crystals. You need to add something. Sometimes even just shaking the bottle would be enough to start the thing going. You need something to shake it up. That's actually why it's thought that some of the formation of things like snowflakes in the air could actually be due to cosmic rays or dust. I'm sure it certainly is, because if you just had a completely clean atmosphere, it would just stay not quite producing order. So what these